Want luxury jewelry photos without a camera or studio? Let AI do it for you. Here's how. Start with a clear photo of your jewelry. Use your phone, just make sure it's well lit and on a plain background. For this example, I'm using a gold engagement ring photo I shot on my desk. Now, upload your photo to this AI image editor known as Pebbly. This tool can replace the background, add lightning effects, and make it look studio shot. To start with, click on Upload New Product. Here, add in your image that you clicked. You can choose from different themes available here. Select the one you like and click on Generate. And just like that, my desk photo turned into a luxury magazine style shot. No studio needed. AI jewelry photography saves time, money, and delivers stunning results. Try it on your own and watch your product images shine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.